Hey, good afternoon. This is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live, and I just wanted to go over the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the Russell. Start with the two I blew today. Yesterday we had divergence in the Nas and the S&P compared with the Russell. Those were up, the Russell was down. Today I thought the same would continue. I put my blue dot, thought that the market would go up to probably 39.63, come back and end up somewhere in the circle or back in 39.45. Instead, it looked like it was going to do that until about 10 o'clock or so. We'll find out. And then it just ended. It went all the way down, which I guess maybe I'll do two. One extreme or the other, because it went all the way down to 38.90, which is completely within the realm of what could have happened today. It was an inside day compared to yesterday, so that's going to be interesting for tomorrow. And then it closed back up right at 39.2, right at 3,900. So not a bad spot. Let's go look at what happened in the Nasdaq next. So unlike the S&P, which is between the 10-day EMA and the 21, the Nasdaq is above the 21, the 10, the 50, the 89, the 200, everything. It's well above everything. So this actually is a little closer. Again, I thought, I had the line up here. I thought maybe we would launch all the way up with the stimulus money, but maybe the stimulus money isn't in yet. So we started going there, had a pullback, and then I thought we'd end up right in this little diamond. No, but not that far off, kind of right in the middle. So we'll talk about what it's going to do tomorrow in one bit. Now I'm going to show you the one that I got right. All right. So I know that this is adjusting because we're in the interim, the intraday period, but the market is closed, but we did close like basically right at the bottom of this red square that I put in. So pretty much down it went all, look at it, hit the S3 and the channel perfectly. I thought it was going to come down at least to this line, hit it, pulled back, going to probably end right here at the 2188-ish area. So that one I got right. Now, what's going to happen tomorrow? Good question. Or tonight and tomorrow. Well, you know how channels and trading works. I mean, this touched the bottom. It's most likely going to kick up. Then, when it reopens, it's probably going to go up somewhere to 2210-ish in that area. If it's going to continue down, it's going to go up first, most likely. Now, if it goes down first and hits the bottom of the channel, then, well, by the end of the day, it could be back up here. So it just depends on which way it goes first, but whichever way it chooses, it's going to either go down to 2141, maybe touch the 2 sigma and then pull back, or it's going to, like I said, go up, hit roughly 2210 and then come back down. So let's watch and see what happens tomorrow. But definitely the most bearish of them all is the Russell. So on the S&P, we came down, we touched the 21 period. Man, I still think the stimulus is coming in. Depends on where this goes. It could close outside of this. It's going to be on the other side, come up and then go down for some more. That looks like is what's in the cards right now. Don't know 100%, but that's kind of what it looks like. It could just kick over and then bust through and keep going, but I'm leaning more towards trading in between these. Now, it is an inside day from yesterday. So if we have one more inside day, then that's going to bunch up and we could have an explosion maybe Thursday or Friday. Right now, I'm looking at where this kicks over, comes up to about the 10 period, and then goes back down. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now. And the 4-hour kind of confirms that, although it's right on the channel. And then, if we do this, we tried some of these time cycles, and we were talking about potentially this ending up over here, either here or over here. So when you look at this the big picture, we were kind of thinking the time cycle might end up here. So is it going to go up first? I don't know, but we got this blue dot over here. That's going to be fun to see if it hits that. So let's go and finish with the NAS. Now the NAS looks the most bullish to me, which was ironic because it was the most bearish a while ago, but now it's the most bullish. Kicking over, it's going to be in here somewhere unless it gaps, come down maybe to the, the 10 or the Bollinger, and then stay in the channel and jump up and then hit this finally tomorrow. So somewhere in the 13.4 to 13.5 area. That's kind of what it's looking like. Let's see what the 60-minute is showing. Yep, still above the 200. So far, it's looking the most bullish. Just going to post Anthony Crudele video that I like at the end of this. And thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching these, and we're becoming all better traders. The thing is we made money today going all directions, in and out. Was following the trends. So it was really just using what Anthony talked about with the 10-day or 10-period EMA. He uses the SMA. Still really exciting. Looking forward to doing that more and dialing in the trades. Thanks for tuning in to Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live, and welcome to seeing you improve, positive points for breakfast and all that we do here. Have a good night.